Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing really well. I'm back with a what's new in my wardrobe. I've been trying to add in some good basics and also some good key sort of trend pieces for this autumn winter. With the way I shop now, I feel it's so different to how I used to shop. Like I used to go online and get like quite a few things at once, and I feel like I was sort of over shopping. And yeah, I just feel like it's so different to how I shop now when I'm shopping online or anywhere. I'm much more specific. So let's jump in. I've got some bits from H&M, Zara, where else? Oh, I'm missing one nail, by the way. You probably didn't even notice until I pointed it out. No pun intended. I need to go and get infills today. And I've got one new bag purchase, which I'm so excited about. So far, I've added 2 new coats into my wardrobe. This is the first one. This is this sort of brushed wool coat from H&M. So it looks like this. Oh, what's funny about this is I went into H&M because I was looking for some cute mini skirts at the time, and then I saw this coat in the sale section but in size XXL, and because I couldn't see it anywhere else in the shop, so I was sort of thought, oh, it must be like last season. I bet there's like none left. It's just the last one that they do. And so I almost talked myself into getting the XXL, there was just way too much fabric on it for my height, because I'm only 5'3". So yeah, anyway, talked myself then out of it again, went online and saw that they just have them in stock like normal. So anyway, got one in size medium, because I love the colour. It's so soft. I feel like it's really timeless as well. So yeah, really happy with this. I could have probably gotten away with a small as well. I got the medium because I really wanted it to have that slightly oversized look, but it is designed that way anyway, so I could have gone with a small. In case like anyone else isn't sure what size to go for. The next one is more of a jacket. So this is from Zara. I saw this long line, oversized leather jacket in Zara just as I walked in, and I was like, yes, immediately yes. And it looks kind of Matrixy, and it's one of my favorite films, so I don't mind like looking like Neo at all, or Trinity. So I really like this. The fit is really nice. I got it in a size medium because again I wanted it to be like slightly oversized. I don't really like when, especially leather jackets, are more fitted on me. I like that worn in slightly vintage sort of look. Not that this looks vintage, but you know, when it's a little bit oversized you get that sort of feel a bit more. Yeah, so it does up with, has a tie. I'm sure loads of you have seen this everywhere. I'm sure it's a bit of a basic bitch one. But I still wanted to show it because I really like it. I wore it to a NARS event that I went to the other week, and I felt very on in this jacket, and that's always a good sign. I'll show you the rest of the Zara things. I saw this cord. Oh god, I love this print. It feels like something I might only wear a few times. Yeah, so I don't know how I feel about that, because I don't really like getting pieces that I don't feel I can really get my wear out of. But this is the top as well. So yeah, top is like this. And I think this cord is designed a bit more for someone taller. Yeah, it's not really, I don't feel like it's designed for my height. When I'm wearing them together, I roll the bottom bit of the top up. So yeah, it looks a bit more like a long crop, if that makes any sense. Yeah, because I think if I'm showing a little bit of my torso, it breaks it up a bit. I also definitely need to wear heels with an outfit like this. But it's nice to go a little bit out of my comfort zone, because usually I don't really wear bold prints and things like this, but I love the colours. Yeah, I think it's quite a versatile cord actually, because I could also obviously wear just the top with, this would look nice actually tucked into some wide leg jeans, just normal blue jeans. Yeah, there's lots that you can do with this cord. That's actually making me feel like I should do a reel styling this. So let me know if you'd like to see that. And I just got some basic tops because I really like the Zara basic vests. Not all of them, I think I'm a bit picky. Like half of them I don't know, they're just meh. And then so half of them, like the quality is really good. There's some that I've had for ages, especially love their bodies as well, the plain bodies. Anyway, picked up these ribbed vest tops. So obviously one in grey and then one in black. I think the white, I had a feeling it might be a bit see-through, so I didn't get that one. And I got them in a size small. Yeah, that's the black as well. Just good to have. I went into H&M because I was on the hunt for some skirts. Kind of like the Miu Miu skirts, or a cute tennis style skirt in general, but not, just one that, I really wanted one that was the right shape. Didn't want it to be too sticky outy, didn't want it to be too short, because I feel like I can't really get away with that as much on my body type. Even though it looks amazing on some people. Anyway, got this one in white. This sounds weird, but I don't like this white. Like, if you see it in person, you might know what I mean. It's a very stark, sort of like cheap looking white. That might sound so weird, but I know exactly what I mean. But it's fine, you know, like it's fine if you layer it up with something. I'd probably wear something baggy on top, so just this bit is sticking out at the bottom. But I do like the design of these, and I prefer the black one even better. So yeah, no, this black one I really like. I just think it looks better. It looks much better in the black. So yeah, I'll link these down below as well. I'm really excited to wear this actually. I love a good little black skirt staple. So this is a bit of an update in my wardrobe of another one. Then I did an online order. I've been looking everywhere for the perfect black knee-high boots that don't have too high of a heel. And that are the right width. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I love these so much. Right, I'm gonna obviously put them on so you guys can see, but oh, I love them. I think they're so flattering. They're the perfect width. Yeah, I can't wait. I think I'll wear them next week actually. I've got some events and things. Take them out for a little test run. I've damaged my Achilles heel area because I was out all weekend and I was wearing Docs the whole time, and usually Docs, I'm fine in Docs, like I've never actually had a really bad experience with them hurting, but I think because I was wearing them for so long I've actually damaged the back of my foot. So anyway, hoping that heals for next week so I can put these to the test properly. Love these. Okay, and then I've got some other bottoms. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear these. So these are these sort of sheer, what would you call them, zebra or tiger print trousers, which flare out a little bit at the bottom, and I am just obsessed. I'm obsessed. I think for underneath I'd wear some black cycling shorts just to obviously make sure everything's covered. Yeah. And then I'd probably wear something that goes over this top bit anyway. They're really nice quality as well. They're really soft. And they're such a nice way to sort of put a bit of a twist on your usual autumn winter black trouser. Add something. Mwah. Oh, almost the last thing. This skirt I also thought is a really good piece to have for Christmas party season. So it's a sequin black skirt. Kind of I guess you call it a midi skirt. It's A-line. It has lining in it as well. There's a skirt inside to protect the goods. But yeah, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. I just think really versatile as well. Really want to wear this with an oversized black jumper. So that's everything from there. Do you want to see my new baby? Oh my god. This is the Jacquemus. I've actually forgotten the name of the bag. Let me look it up. It is, oh, Le QQ. Les Susu. I'm not sure. I'll obviously link it down below. It's been so long since I've got a new bag. And it is, let me tell you, I just love it. Oh, also, I'm really picky as well. So when I do go for one, I just get so obsessed. Just do so many nice sizes, colors, styles. I just felt like this one really suited my personal style, like with the chain and everything. Love the wide strap. It also has this little compartment here for anything you want to put in there. And then the only thing is, because it's such a structured bag, it's not the easiest to move. How do I explain this? It's not got a lot of wiggle room for getting into and sort of finding things in there, but let's be honest, it's not the kind of bag where you're putting a lot in there to go out with, which I kind of learned the first time I took it out, like out and about. But you know, it is what it is. It's more of an aesthetic bag than it is a practical bag, but it does fit enough. Like, it fits my phone, purse, makeup, everything I need. I just thought I'd mention that. Then you've got another compartment there in the front, another compartment. You can also take the strap off, you can take the chain off. So just in case you guys wondered, I thought I'd show you my lip combo today. I've got Charlotte Tilbury Hot Gossip liner. Then I've got this new gloss that I've been using recently. I really love it because on its own it gives a bit of a just like a bitten lip. It's got that bit of colour to it. So it is the Lancome Mert and Marcus gloss in 110. I've been feeling like adding a little bit of colour on the lips recently. I've got some bags from Weekday that I forgot to include, so I'm gonna go and grab them. Popped into Weekday the other week and just picked up some accessories. I just wanted to update my accessories a little bit. I had loads of old ones like from Zara that I just never ever wear, that was just there in my wardrobe. So I wanted to do a little bit of a refresh. Oh, I've got pins and needles. I needed some new sunnies because I keep going out and then I bring sunnies with me and then I wake up and they've just disappeared. When I go out, yes, I'm a sunnies indoors person. Not at a club though, no. Also my ring. I got this ring from a market stall in, Shoreditch, and it's a crystal. I feel a little bit witchy actually with that crystal ring and then this top and everything. Got this bag because there's something really drew me to it. Like, it's so weird. It kind of looks like a cow. Do you know what I mean? It's kind of like a Balenciaga inspired cow print. I'm such a weirdo. I was like, yes. There's something about it. I don't know why. I think with this bag, it's the kind of thing I'm gonna look back on in about 8 months and be like, oh, for God's sake. And then I got this glittery bag, sequiny bag. I think that's so, I just really like it. I wish it was smaller. It's a bit bigger than I wanted. I wish it was that kind of Prada bag size, but obviously I'm aware they probably can't do it too similar to that. Yeah, so it's a bit big. It's annoying because I would wear this on a night out, but I think it's too big for a night out. So yeah, but anyway, still really cute. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It's so nice to come on again and do one of these again. I've got another weekly vlog coming up soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I'll see you in the next one. Everything is linked down below like usual. Bye.